See this guys, by just promoting some gift offers, I can give CPA lead, okay, of $2, $1, $150. People just need to signing up on these kind of website and I'm getting paid per lead by just promoting gift cards and prizes. How people are actually earning by just promoting these offers? Do you want to know? And I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just working at home, okay, by just promoting these gift cards on your social media platforms and other websites, okay, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. Just watch along this video step by step and I'll show you how you yourself can earn money online working from home. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just promoting the affiliate offers that individual website is offering. You can see this guys, you can see this how much people are actually earning with this CPA marketing. You can see this CPA links that they are promoting. You can see this $50, okay, $1.50, $93. You can see this people all over the world how much they are actually earning this much amount. You can see this guys, 60% of the sale if you did, okay, this is another way by just signing up for others user and just promoting these offers. You can earn up to good amount of money from this website, okay, and there are hundreds of things that you can promote. You can see this guys, there are gift card, GIF, email and PayPal surveys and other things as well. Okay, so what you can do, I just want to show you in this video that what type of things you can promote on this website. Okay, just click on this gift cards. Okay, so we can promote here a gift card. You can see this guys, there are hundreds of gift cards. You can see the Amazon vouchers, okay, you can see other win prizes, approvals. You can see click to call, and they are actually giving you a good amount of coupons and prizes. Okay, you do not have to sign up on these websites. You just need to get the links of these websites and you just need to promote. Okay, let us suppose guys, I just want to show you Amazon gift vouchers. Okay, I just need to click on this Amazon gift vouchers and you can see this guys, this is a countries for Germany. Okay, this is a particular intended audience it is having, okay, and per click you can see that's $1.96 I can get, okay, and I just need to promote these offers. So for that what I need to do is to just click on this join network. Okay, join network. So what it will do guys, it will redirect it to you to different page. Okay, I just need to show you by just clicking on this thing, and you can see this guys, I just need to sign up on this in this redirected website. Why? Because I just need to join their program and just want to enroll it, and then I'm going to pay this much amount of lead programs, and I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, so this website Offer Wallet will offer you different kind of promotion programs that you can redirect it to, and you can earn a good amount of money from these kind of things. Okay, so if you want to promote offers, just click on this link. Okay, I just show you how to do the sign up process. Okay, so you just need to click on this publisher. Okay, I just gave a description. Okay, and so I just wanna give some description, okay, and my full detail I just need to give, okay, and I can give my Skype ID or whatever I just wanna give. Okay, just click on these things, formalities, and just click on this create account. Okay, so it will eventually create your account. You can see this guys, it will help you to do the publishing part. Okay, which country you are belong to, you can select whatever country you are living in. Okay, I just main traffic sources India, your social. Okay, and the main vertical. Okay, so you can select main vertical, that how much what is your vertical is. So e-commerce I just select a vertical. Okay, 3 countries working with, you can select whatever countries, United States. Okay, you can select India. Okay, you can select Canada. Okay, and you can select the revenue range between guys 1000 to 4000. Okay, because it's very important guys for you to set up these things. Okay, where you heard about online. Okay, is there any special offer would you like to discuss? You just select max bounty offer. Okay, max bounty offer you can select. Okay, and what are the CPA networks you are currently working in? Okay, max bounty is currently CPA networks that you are compatible with. Okay, and you can see your forum names. Okay, you can select whatever forum names you are having. So I can give usernames just like my own name. Okay, so it's good. So just click on this next button. Okay, and you see this. Thank you for your registration. The selection process just started. One of the account manager will contact you soon as per the discussion. Okay, so what they are doing guys, they will give you the referral link of this website. Okay, referral link for this offers, and what you can do right now is to come up here in this Pinterest. Okay, you just need to come up here in this Pinterest. Okay, so on your email ID they will give you a link where you can publish your things. Okay, so what is a PayPal gift card. Okay, I just need to copy this thing. Okay, and just paste it on this on Google, and just set up the images. Okay, so you can select these gift card images. Okay, I just select one of these images and just click on this save button. Okay, so these are the gift card that we need to promote guys. Okay, and we just do one thing, just to drag and drop the things. Okay, let us suppose guys this is my gift card. Okay, and I just need to type what I need to type. You just need to type this PayPal $1000 gift card. Okay, so just copy paste this thing in this domain. You can see this. Okay, and give a description that hurry offers are limited. Okay, you just type in this small description, and you just need to give the affiliate link. Okay, I just need to give a affiliate link. Okay, you just need to post your affiliate link which is coming up on your email ID that you have put it up on while doing the registration. Just click on this publish button and you are good to go guys. Okay, you are just good to go. So it is not valid right now. Okay, but I just want to show you guys how much people are actually looking for these kind of things. Okay, you just need to type the offer on Pinterest. Okay, CPA offers on Pinterest. You just need to see some of these offers that people are actually coming up, and they are just promoting these offers. Okay, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of offers that people are actually promoting. They just need to click on these kind of things, and that's it guys. Okay, you just need to look at these kind of offers that people are actually promoting. Okay, CPA offers that they are actually promoting while doing these small offers. You can see this. So what they are actually doing is to just get this referral links and just post it on this Pinterest, and do a lot of research on this. You are getting paid this much amount. Okay, so you are okay, so whenever you are getting a referral link guys, they will send you some information about your dashboard. Okay, whatever network you have joined, just click on this join network, and you have already seen that there are some networks. This is a company name which will give you your okay PayPal email address, which will do some verification part, and then they will redirected you the link. Okay, where you need to do the registration part, and you are good to go. Okay, so it's an amazing website guys, where you can earn a good amount of money by just promoting such and such of offers. You can see they are getting paid for with this CPA marketing. Okay, you can see it's actually a great opportunity to conduct the CPA leads where you can earn hundreds and hundreds of thousands and thousands of dollars by just promoting these gift cards. What they are doing, they are just coming up on this website and they're just signing up in, and you are good to go. Okay, so this is one way of earning. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Just click on this like button and hit the subscribe button so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And if you want more videos like this, just write down on the comment section that which country you are belonging to and what is your particular interest and profession through which I can make you videos online. Okay, work from home videos, part-time job, or if you want to know about the passive income strategies, then just write down on the comment section. I hope you like this video. Till then, happy earning.